Looking good.
I can already feel it in my butt.
Look at this. Doing great.
Oh, I got one! Oh.
Let's go! What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Joe at Else YouTube channel. And today we got Brandon and Harvey here today. A little less excited than the last time. Woo! I feel like we tried way harder on this intro. We're gonna do a double or nothing challenge for $4 this time. Going hard. But really, we're just out here to fish. No crazy intro, no unboxing. Let's get to it. Okay, I almost forgot too. Today's comment of the day is going to be put down below right here, so thank you whoever you are, I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys like and comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already for your chance to be featured in the next comment of the day. What's the knot that Harvey does?
6, 7, 8. This is what gets crazy. I've learned how to do this a whole bunch of times, but I never remember. Outback Steakhouse, do this one.
All right, good lesson. Looking good. Thanks.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Oh, I'm already sweating. Looks like you're doing a wheelie. I wish I could zoom in on you. It looks much faster when there's only one person in it.
This thing is not bad with one person. It's so much lighter.
I get hard to feel. We're gonna start with those comments already.
Sorry. I can already feel it in my butt.
Thank you. Family friendly. All right. And we are off on venture day number 2. I'm calling it now, so this could be good for future me. Fish are gonna be at the other end of the pond. We're not catching anything down here. First seaweed goes to me, boys.
What? Bye.
W. On the board. I'm gonna try not to cast over your line, but no promises. Okay. It's doing it again. It's just going really weird, and then it bird's nest. I don't know why.
Slack my line. Hey.
Gang gang.
My legs are gonna be fried, dude. Sunscreen or not, I'm
I did a video on accident, I bet. What? I guess, yeah, you're recording.
I'll notice that it's literally I notice it's the inner of your kayak, and I'll just delete it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll probably still look through it to see if anything stupid was said between you and Brandon, so. Dude, what is happening?
I don't care what you say.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't care, Jarv.
You just like the feel of it?
Yep.
It's so hard to fish when you're just getting shoved by the wind.
Yeah.
Like, dude, look at this.
Yeah.
How do you even fish like this?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna troll it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Dude, there's this one bee that won't off. It's actually annoying. Yeah, it's this one little tiny bee. Every time we're over here, it flies onto me like my kayak's flowers. And there it goes again, backlashing. Nice, dude. Not annoying at all. Should just leave the camera off at this point, honestly. Every time I turn it on, bad stuff just happens. Dude, oh, I want to kill it. Literally won't leave me the alone. I don't know why, but today's just one of those days where I just get mad all the time. I don't know why. It's starting to annoy me.
Once you catch something, you'll be good.
I feel better.
Yeah, when this bee's not flying in my crotch.
These things.
Look at this.
go over to that spot.
That's how you always know it's a clip when Harvey catches a fish, is when you hear, let's go! I
don't think I was recording.
Man, you're really bad at holding fish.
No, I'm not. You're so crazy. Let's go!
Number one. That's smaller than the last one you got, the big one, right?
It's a big one, yeah.
The second I changed to baby bass, I got that.
That's crazy, dude. It likes those worms then.
Yep.
I wonder what it is about this thing. Dude, see, every time, man.
It's just the movement of them. They just like attack them.
Probably.
Certain colors on certain days, just like.
Yeah. See how much I got on here, dude? It's a jig with a craw on the bottom as a trailer. I think it's all messed up that I just need to pull out a bunch of line. I feel like that's part of the problem. So that's why I put on something big and heavy to just take out as much line as possible. I wonder how deep it is right here. It's actually not that deep at all. It's like 10 feet.
10 feet?
Yeah, probably give or take. Ready? Watch. I'll show you. Ready? It goes to 30 feet here.
Really?
Yeah. That's why I'm trying to find out where 30 feet is. So it's still going. Still going. Bottom. It do be pretty heavy. How am I turning the weirdest direction right now? So look, yeah, look at it. You see how the line's coming towards me? I'm not touching it. Look, that means it's on a shelf falling down. I never thought to do this before. I know you guys really care, but it's cool.
Yeah, I have a fish app, and you can look up the topography.
Oh, I got one! Oh! I can't tell if it dropped it or not because it got caught. Come on. No, I dropped it. No. Dude, it was deep. Look at this. Dude, it got it, but then it instantly got lost in all of this seaweed. I felt it smoke it. Yeah, it even ripped the craw. They're over here, boys. I got another bite while I was just backing up. It nibbled it, but I didn't get it, but it nibbled it. Now I just got seaweed, I think. Yeah, I've had 2 nibbles and 2 casts. I got a lot of seaweed on it right now, though. So much it just pulled the kayak immediately. Ew, it's like black seaweed. When you have to ask where your GoPro is and it's on your chest. All time low. And now we observe a natural, and now we observe an osprey in its natural habitat, calling out for his mate, I think.
Sick.
Doing great. I'm holding my thumb out, it's okay.
We're not moving.
Ow. All right.
I beat him off, don't worry.
You got it.
Third tries the charm, bud.
Here it comes. Cool. Let's go!
Yeah.
Second fish caught today.
Good job, bud.
You know, I'm glad you two get along with the other couples so well out here. Woo! Wow, look at that subscribe button you just caught. Hey! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe and like.
Sorry, subscribe and like.
Hit the bell.
It is so oddly shallow right here.
I know, that's why I was reeling in.
Alright, we're gonna swap to top water because I just seen 3 hit over here in top water within seconds. They'll be coming over here, so let's do that. Okay, we're gonna swap it out real quick. We're gonna put on this little top water popper. Haven't used yet. You know what's funny? Is if you have a good worm, you can let it, if you see a bluegill, let it float next to it and you'll see the bluegill go after it. You guys both trying to do it right now? Trying to fish the easy way. Yeah, look at all the flies on the top of the water, dude. See them all? It looks like almost like trippy. I never really used ploppers, so let's see how my technique is, huh?
What is a popper again?
The popper?
Yeah.
It's a top water and it just sits there and you flick it and it pops. So it's supposed to like get fish biting on top water. So it's really good to use when they're going top water. I prefer this over frogs, to be honest with you. Okay, so you ready? You want to see what the plopper looks like? Or a popper?
Yeah.
Finally a break from the sun to give these legs a little rest. Alright, I'm gonna cast it, let some line out, and then we're gonna go over to Brandon and Harvey. How you guys doing?
I'm gonna put this thing up.
Yeah, see this thing? Look how intense that thing is. Clickbait, that's what they call it. And then I have the trailer of the, I just used the craw daddy. Are you just letting it sink right now? Yeah. See, okay, so you're running the problem I had, where it's hard to tell because we're drifting so fast from the wind, you can't even tell. Because, dude, I dropped it like over here, and I floated so far, and the whole time, dude, it was just taking line out. I was like, I can't tell if it's going down or I'm getting blown so hard. Yeah.
Hell yeah, down.
Hell yeah. Was that recording? Yup.
Going down or getting blown so hard.
If you know, you know.
A little bit of both.
You know? It does a lot of weird shit to it.
Come here often.
Okay.
Hey.
You guys flirting again?
Your parents fighting again? Mom, Dad. I just think because it's so hot today that it's likely we wouldn't catch anything for a couple hours anyways. I mean, I'm surprised you even caught one earlier. I want to know where it allegedly gets to 30 feet deep because I have yet to find it. No! He just nibbled it and then let it go. He's knocking at it. Got him! It's a little one though.
Really?
Yeah, I think. No! He must have dropped it.
Yeah.
Dude, he's just nibbling. It's right underneath your kayak, by the way. That's right about where it was. So yeah, they're just chilling on the bottom over here. That's what it is. Because literally every time I stopped it, he would nibble. And then he would stop it, and then he would nibble. That's why I thought it was like on there. Because he would nibble it perfectly every single time I would stop it. Let's go! We are on. It's always whenever I just turn off the GoPro. Woo! Some water real quick, but all right. Woo! On the board, boys. Yeah, he's just out. All right. There we go. What?
No. Sad. Oh, dang. We literally.
Is that fish jumping or is that a fish jumping?
All right, I'm feeling much better now. Just dragging a little chatterbait with that craw right on the back. That's the way to go. I got 2 bites almost immediately. And then that, after trying to find him or her. I don't know how to tell fish species, not gonna lie. Oh, come on. We got a nibbler. That's it though. Just nibble. Let me know before you plan on just randomly heading back again like you did the last one so I can put up the drone. All right, so that's gonna do it, guys. We got 2 fish today. I got 1, Harvey got 1, so I guess Brandon got 0.
Yeah.
So I guess we're gonna have to do this again for another double or nothing because me and Harvey tied, so can't
Double.
end on a tie, so
Or nothing?
yeah, to be continued. Anything else? No?
Make sure to go pee before you leave.
Yeah, always go pee before you leave.
Hydrated, like, and subscribe, baby.
I'll see you guys in the next one.